A world that loses. If so, then I shall. This. The world will. But I won't. I want to help you hold on to your life. To do so, I need to know your. Will you tell me who you are? That's right. As of believe. I'm glad you understand. I am the nurturer of the template now. That's right. No, instead. Now go ahead. Wake up.
Yo-Yogi Cohen. Please do not rush onto the train. The door is now closing.
Great. They can't even... Huh? You need something, kid? Well, here's what they said on TV. Panic erupts as a clash between... Pretty disturbing, right? It was a deep...
Hey, are you there? Finally, I get a... I could see if it was, where are you now? Well, so yeah, you do know, just go east from Shin... I was planning to ask our teacher for career advice. Thanks, keep in mind... Hey?
Hold up. You're on your way to Shinjuku Medical Center? That's... also we're up. Why don't you hang on to this? It's a copy of our upcoming issue. I'm assuming you do. Then the names hit you. Normally, that or so they say. There's a lot of misinformation floating around. Anyway, I'd better... Oh yeah, in the event we run into...
Well, hey, about... is it just... There isn't anyone in sight. No nurses? No patients. Look, even the reception desk is... Don't you think there's something weird about this place? Anyway, you know who... And big surprise, he's still... Oh, what's with that magazine? Some stranger gave it to you? Come on, you should know better than that. Ayakashi Month? What? It's an occult magazine? Why would you bring something like that here? Well, maybe it could help me kill some time. Anyway, can you go find that bonehead? If he can't find our teacher, then... You should be on the second floor, where the patient... I'll be waiting down here. Don't leave me hanging too long.
Oh man, you scared the crap out of me. Why'd you go sneaking up like that? Jeez, you come here late, you cause trouble. You know what? Forget it. No. I'm sure you've already noticed, but this place has been I called our teacher to make sure this was it. She clearly told me. Shinjuku Medical. I could have at least put up a notice or something. Maybe someone unleashed a deadly virus in here. I've already checked out. Think we should just call it? Alright, I bet she's all pissed because I've been gone so long. Anyway, I really hope this isn't the...
you're back. So, you know that special report? Well, it says some things that are more... According to this, there's a group of demon worshippers, and they're right here in Japan. Apparently, they believe in this book. In that book, it says that, and these people are trying to cause that somehow. Whether their idea, the reporter couldn't figure that out.
No luck. I even checked the men's room.
Didn't need to know that. We're in the middle of a conversation here, so save those details for later. Now, listen to this part. A hospital on the east side of Shinjuku is closely linked to the organization.
Let me guess. Oh, it wouldn't surprise... I've heard some like how they run deadly experiments on patients. Or how a psychic started shrieking and bolted out of here. And of course, there's...
You're serious? I never knew any of that. Maybe